Did you know that a janitor once prevented America's worst nuclear disaster just by showing up early to work? Jake Henderson started his shift at 5:30 in the morning at 3 Mile Island in 2019. He was mopping the restricted areas when he heard something wrong. An unusual humming sound was coming from the reactor core. Most people would have ignored it, but Henderson had Navy nuclear training. He recognized the overheating indicators immediately. The automated safety systems had failed overnight. Radiation readings showed the core was about to breach. He had 47 minutes before catastrophic failure. Henderson frantically called sleeping engineers, then made a choice. He manually activated the emergency cooling systems himself. His early morning vigilance prevented a meltdown that would have displaced 200,000 people. The Nuclear Regulatory Commission confirmed Henderson saved 50 miles of contaminated land. Sometimes being an early riser literally saves lives.